Hello everyone, welcome to American Jedi Channel. Today I'm going to show you my Omega haul. I got two watches here. I got the new Speedmaster 300. Or I'm sorry, the new Seamaster 300. This is a James Bond watch. And then I also have the Speedmaster Professional, the new Speedmaster Professional. I think it came out last year or this year, I can't remember. But it's got the new 3861 caliber from Omega and a few other upgrades on it. So, or downgrades, depending on how you look at it. But anyways, I got these from AAFES, or the Army Air Force and Exchange Services, also known as the Exchange. Navy is NEX, Navy Exchange, and then I forget the Marines call it, probably Navy Exchange. But anyways, let's look at how this came packaged. So this is directly from Omega. When I ordered it from the military, so for those of you who don't know, the Exchange is a military store that when you're in the military, you can shop at. It's tax-free, so it really helps you out on if you're buying big ticket items like watches or computers or TVs or whatever. So it's always tax-free. The benefits have been extended to veterans now, so all you have to do is be a veteran, and you can now shop at AAFES. It used to be you had to be retired from the military or medically retired, so sorry about the bird noise, but let's go ahead and take a look. So this is going to be the Seamaster first, and this is how it's packaged. One second, let me go ahead and close the store real quick. Don't want any other don't want any other noise surprises. So let's see here. So I'm guessing that's the watch and this is the box. So let's see here. Oh snap, this is heavy. Looks like I got manuals and paperwork. Guessing that's the watch. Let's do this in reverse order. I want the watch to come last. So, I was afraid I wasn't going to get the box. Oh wow, that is a sharp box. Look at that. Guessing this is where you put all the manuals and stuff. Yep, all your warranty cards. Look at that nice little leather billfold for your all your not credit cards, but your warranty cards and stuff like that. Some foam here so that I can fill this in. I'm guessing everything's in here. Let's see here. So we open this up. Let's take this box out. Wow, this is really heavy. What a beautiful box. What's that say right there? It says, since 1848, Swiss-made Omega with a little globe in it. So, push it. Oh, it's a button. Oh. So there's the case. Look at the watch. It's already ticking. So this is how, for those of you that don't know, it looks really shady, but this is how Omega watches come into the jeweler in these little cheap ass plastic boxes. But yeah, this is how they come in. Got the master chronometer and probably all the other cards that are in here. So let's go ahead and take a look at her. You can see there's the price right there, $5,100. She is a thing of beauty. Look at that. This damn halo light. Fucking with my shit. Let's see if I turn this off, if it'll be better. There we go. Don't need that much light. And then this one does have the exhibition back, which you can't really see because there's a sticker on it. But yeah, she's ticking. Nice little rubber strap. Does have the plastic on the bezel. Let's try this bad boy on. Wow, this is a really nice strap. There we go. So this is the Omega Seamaster 300. And it does have the date complication, as you can see on the bottom. It is an automatic, which means that it has a plate on the inside that will spin and keep the watch charged as long as it has some kind of motion. Some people buy watch winder boxes, you know, storage units. Me personally, I've had automatics, been buying automatics now. My first one was a Tissot back in 2011. And honestly, I just let them die. If I'm not going to wear it, I'll just let them die, and then I'll set it again before I wear it. My thing is to keep them on a watch winder. You're going to be getting like wear and tear. So you're going to be getting wear and tear on the watch, the gears winding, you know, all that stuff like that. You're gonna just, you know, be adding more life to your watch when you don't need to. So that's the first one. And so this is the Omega Seamaster 300, and that is the haul, the box. You have nice leather things here, and let's see here. I have no clue what all this is for, but I'm guessing I'll figure it out. So I think, yeah. Oh yeah, this is a box. That's cool. It pops out, and then that's a box. See? All right. So that's the first Omega. That's the Seamaster 300. Thank you for watching. I'll come in with the part 2 of the video, and I'm going to show you the new Speedy. So thanks for watching. This has been an unboxing from AAFES or the Exchange Omega watches. Take care.